Okay, family, I'm back at it again. And in this video right here, we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing, but we're going to talk about it in a different way. If you're looking behind me, you might see something very cuddly, very teddy bear like. And this right here could be something that turns into a profitable business for the right person. Now, what I actually found after I did a little research and after I watched a video, actually a YouTuber that I watch on a regular basis, Matt Wolf, he actually created a video that I was watching the other day, and it was talking about a specific app. And this specific app actually allows you to upload your own personal picture into the AI app, online app. So you don't have to download the app or anything like that. You just go to the website and you upload your picture onto the website, right? Now, that's what I actually did. I went to the site, I uploaded this picture right here. Hopefully, I'm not blocking the view. You can see my picture right here that I uploaded. And what it did was it turned me into a cuddly teddy bear. Now, not only did it turn me into a cuddly teddy bear, but I asked it to go a step farther. Now, up until this point, this was the regular prompt. If you can see this, this was the default prompt that it was already set to. So I didn't write any of this up until this part here. And all I added was I wanted this one to turn into a Super Saiyan. And that's the only thing that I added. I wanted the picture, the original picture, to be updated so that he's now a Super Saiyan. And that's what it actually did. It turned his hair yellow, and it's reminiscent of, you know, Dragon Ball Z. Now you might be asking yourself, where's the business at? Where can you turn this into a profitable business for yourself? Well, here it is. Looking at this, these are, as I stated before, nice, plush looking teddy bears. What if I actually wanted to create my own stuffed animal? That's one idea. So, not stuffed animal, but stuffed teddy bear. Something like a Build-A-Bear. This would be a great design, a great piece of work that I could actually use and upload onto any platform that'll allow me to create a design for my stuffed animal. Now, that's one idea if we want to create something physical. Another idea is we could actually use these as avatars or as personas or representatives for whatever products we want to promote. And we can do that in a couple of different ways. Looking at these characters, we may actually be able to create animated stories and videos around them. Gives me an idea personally that I might take advantage of, and in a future video, I might actually show you guys something that if it comes to mind. But I think I have an idea of what I might want to create, but we'll see. But those are a couple of ideas that you can come up with just by using the simple tools such as this right here, Whisk, which is absolutely free to use. So this is a free tool. I didn't have to pay for this. It was just looking at the right piece of information and doing the right searches that led me to being able to get access to this amazing tool. Now, just to take it a step farther, looking at the fact that when we double clicked before, there was another added bonus that some people might have missed. We're going to go back to it again. going to click on one of these avatars here. Let me click on this one right here. Double click on it. We're back here at this location. So if you can see another piece of information that's going to really help you and possibly create more income for you and your business. We were just here, we were just talking about this section. It's the overall prompt itself. Now, we might have just gotten caught up in what it actually created, which was the character, the avatar, or whatever we want to use this particular production for. But most people might overlook the fact that we have a prompt that describes this particular picture. Now, let's say we wanted to get a little bit more in depth with this, because the backgrounds on this are all the same. So we might want to change the background, but this particular tool, from what I see so far, does not allow you to change the background. That's where the prompt comes in handy. So with the prompt, what we can do is we can access another one of our favorite tools, which is not ChatGPT, but actually Meta AI. Meta AI is another tool that I use on a regular basis because it not only allows you to create pictures, but it allows you to do something else special, which I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So what I did was I copied the prompt from Whisk, pasted it into this Meta AI, and basically it gave me a similar character as to what Whisk produced. It's not exactly the same, but these are close enough. Background is the same and everything like that. But here's what we can do that's extra special with Meta AI that we can't do with ChatGPT. Now, just for fun, let's just do that. Let's take this one here. We're going to actually paste this into ChatGPT to see what ChatGPT actually produces for us. And let's open up a whole new chat and see what ChatGPT actually creates for us. Now, one benefit that I like of Meta AI versus ChatGPT is that it produces multiple outputs instead of just one. Now, this one right here came out pretty good. Look at the background. It keeps the same basic aesthetic of the original, so it's just slight variations. So that prompt is pretty good because it generates from platform to platform kind of consistent. The character changes a little bit, of course, but it's a pretty consistent prompt. If we fine-tuned it a little bit more, we probably can get an even more accurate character across each one of these three applications. But let's go back to Meta AI so that we can see the one special thing that I want to show you guys before we go. This is the extra thing that I like about Meta AI that I haven't found in any of the other AI software tools that actually create pictures. With the simple press of a button, if you look right up top here that says animate, we're going to have something completely different. And I've used this in a couple of my videos. Just go look through my social media feed and you'll see some examples of what I've done with this so far. But let me press the button so we can generate what this actually produces. All right, so in this case, this right here, in a way, looks as though the plush is moving on its own, or possibly somebody's moving it, right? But the whole idea of this is that it animates it. It animates the picture. It takes a prompt or what was once, or let's start from the beginning. It takes what started out as a picture of me that turned into a plush stuffed bear, which turned into a prompt that can be used across multiple platforms to create multiple versions of a plush stuffed bear. And that turned into a animated picture that could possibly turn into an animated video or series of videos. Now that right there is what we call using our technology to our benefit. With this simple press of a button, we've kind of created two scenes here, as you can see. The first one, two scenes that we can compile together and take it a step further, right? We can create videos, complete videos, just by adding these all together and not having to do too much editing. It'll already slide to the side, so we don't have to do any transitions too much. But we have something that we can turn into something else. Now that something else is up to you. It's up to you to be creative, to come up with that idea, to take this farther. Come up with that business, the plush animals. I keep saying animals because when I think of stuffed teddy bears and stuff like that, I think of animals, stuffed animals, but plush teddy bears, things that look like this. Upload your picture into Whisk and see what it produces. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun affiliate marketing moment. And if you're interested in using any of these tools, I'm gonna put the link to these applications in the description of the video so that you can get access and start playing with these things. And I look forward to creating more videos like this so that you can have fun with affiliate marketing, and hopefully that it inspires you and sparks whatever creativity in you so that you can combine it with your passion, and you can think about ways that you can use this information to make your business fun. I could do this all day because this right here, Meta AI, is actually free. You don't have to pay for Meta AI. And from what I see and what I've noticed from my time using it, which has been a few months now, it doesn't cap on how many times you can generate a picture. So it hasn't like stopped me after I've generated 20, 30 pictures. I don't believe. So that means you're able to create possibly an unlimited amount of possibilities. And with that, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do was bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.